All right, that was half a can of spinach in our raw pie crust. I'm just gonna flatten that out so we have a nice layer of our spinach. You can use fresh if you'd like, but canned is cheaper. Next, I'm coming in with about 1/8 of a red onion that I diced, and we're sprinkling that right on top. You can add as much onion as you like, as much spinach as you like, or whatever veggies you like. Now I have here 4 pieces of bacon that I just chopped up. It is pre-cooked bacon, so keep that in mind when you're recreating this recipe. So we have our spinach, our onions, and our bacon in there. Next thing we're adding is our extra sharp white cheddar, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring in my handy dandy cheese grater. Make sure to lock it in. And then start grating. And you can add as much cheese as you like. Right, I think that seems like enough, right, babe?
Yeah, I think that's a lot of cheese.
I love cheese. Perfect. So we used about 1/4 of our block of white cheddar. All right, now I'm gonna put that to the side and I'm gonna bring in 5 eggs and I'm gonna add some heavy whipping cream to our eggs. We're gonna add about 1/4 a cup of heavy whipping cream into those eggs. Next, we're gonna go ahead and season our eggs. I have some sea salt here. Just do a nice little sprinkle of that. I have some black pepper, and you can season this however you like. That's what I say with all of my recipes, and it's the truth. I have some paprika. I think paprika goes great with breakfast dishes, and that's what we're making. Beautiful.
That's a lot of paprika.
Nah, that's the perfect amount. Now we're gonna add some onion powder. You guys know I love my onion powder. And I'm sure you can guess what's coming next. Garlic powder. And if you thought the paprika was a lot, wait till you see how much garlic powder I put in there.
Wow.
Okay, and we're just gonna go ahead and whisk this up until it is well combined. Now that heavy cream is gonna make those eggs nice and fluffy, and all those seasonings are just gonna be evenly distributed into our pie as the eggs kind of just fall to the bottom of our crust. That looks absolutely perfect. All right, let's bring back our pie crust. And you guys know it, we're gonna pour our eggs on top of everything. Beautiful. See how it just coats everything just perfectly?
Perfect.
Now this is gonna go into the oven at 350 for about 45 minutes. Oh my goodness, this looks absolutely incredible. Breakfast is ready. All right, my crust was a little old, so that's why we have some cracks, but I don't want anything to go to waste, so let's dig in. Oh yeah, look at that. Talk about the perfect breakfast quiche. Yummy. That was kind of a small slice, so I'm definitely gonna go for seconds. Let's give this a try. Get a little bit of spinach, a little crust, a little everything. Enjoy.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness. Wow. That's probably my favorite quiche I've ever made. You guys have to try it.